Hey everybody, this is a battery charger that I just recently purchased on Amazon. For anyone interested, I'll provide the link below. But it's interesting and it's really cool because it's not just a normal battery charger, but it's a jump starter as well. So for any of you who are like me, you're always looking for multifunctional devices. This may be one of them. I bought it primarily for the motorcycle, but I think it'll be good for a car or anything else as well. The great thing about it is I should be able to not just charge my devices, like my phone, my cameras, things like that, but in the event I'm stuck on the side of the road and my battery dies, I should be able to do a quick jump start as well. So let's take a couple moments. I want to go ahead and open up the box, see what's inside of it, and let's take a look. Yeah, I've already removed the plastic, so we're able to just quickly open it. Okay, first thing I see when I open it is I actually see the power box right here. Let's take it out of the plastic and take a quick look and see what we have here. So far, this DBPOWER product, it looks like I have an on button. Or I'm sorry, that's not the on button. Here's the power button to turn it on. Looks like right here. This is cool. This is where I can plug my batteries in, maybe charge the unit itself. And I can actually, here it looks like here's a section where I can plug jumper cables in to actually charge the battery. So this looks kind of cool so far. Look at what else it has too. What's neat is it has a flashlight. So again, this tends to be a great multi-purpose product because at least it looks like it so far. Because not only do I have an ability to charge my electronics and jump start my battery, but I might be out on a trip somewhere. I could be in the middle of the night, could be camping or anything, and you have an opportunity here to turn on a flashlight and be able to see your way around in the dark or see your way around working on your equipment. Maybe you need to do something on your bike. You need a little bit more a little bit more light. Here you go. Now it looks like this is what turns it on. So I'm going to very quickly turn on the battery, and it looks like it's charged. So it looks like it's already mostly charged, 3/4 of the way charged. So if I press this button here, I think it's supposed to turn on the battery. Yeah, it's supposed to turn on the light rather. So that's kind of cool. So you can kind of show everything as it works out here. So if I press it once, I get kind of a strobe light where it's blinking, and I press it again, it's faster, and then I press it a third time, it turns off. So very cool. So far, it looks like it might work. I haven't tested it yet, but again, I want to show you what it looks like first. And take a look at this. This is what it looks like in my hand. So it's about the size, my guess, of a cell phone. Maybe a little thicker than a cell phone. In this case, I've seen some this large. So this will fit very nicely in my saddlebag, I think. Or just in a bag that I put on my tank or something like that. So this looks really, it has a lot of promise. So let's come back here now, and I'm going to set this to the side a moment, and let's take a look at what else is in the box. Let's see. So we have what looks like directions. My guess is it's probably directions. Yeah, user manual, a little card that I guess you can scan for warranty, things like that. So I'll set that to the side and take another look here. So I take this off and it reveals the jump starter cables, and it looks like another charger. So I think what this is for is, yes, this actually plugs into the power source, into here, and I think this runs into a power source. So probably hook it up to an actual plug that goes into your wall, or plug it into your laptop or something to charge the battery. So this looks like this is the internal power to actually recharge this actual battery. So this looks good. I think that they said in the manual, as I looked at a manual on this before, that it may take somewhere around 3 hours to 5 hours to fully charge it on a dead battery. And you have I think they said about 1,000 charges on this. So that should work out. Anyway, so I'm going to take that out, and then I want to take a look here. And this looks like it is the actual charging cables. So that's cool. So I guess this goes in. So here's the outlet, and this is actually the part of the charging cables or the battery cables that goes in here. So I guess we slide it in, and it looks like it's fully functional. So I could probably go to a battery terminal right now, hook this in and perhaps do a charge. I don't know if it'll do a charge yet because it doesn't look like the battery's fully charged. But you see this blink here, there's a button right here, and I think what you do, and I recall looking at a manual previously, you may wonder why I have so much knowledge on this too. I had one that I purchased that seemed to be defective, and I sent it back. So I got a replacement pretty quickly from Amazon. But in this case here, I can press this button, and this button here looks like it's what kicks off the jump start. And so we can press that, we hook these up, press this, and it jump starts. So that looks pretty good. Let's see, so if all works out the way I hope it does, I can take all of this, plug it right back in here like this. Just like what I'm doing right now. And then I can even put that back in here just like that. And I forgot to pack this in, but I'll do that later. So if I do this and then I put the box back in, what's really cool is I have the ability to put this right in my saddlebag. So this can go in there with my tire inflator and my patch kit. And I've now got, combined with my tool bag and things like that, I now have what hopefully is everything I need for a longer road trip. So I haven't done a review on this. This isn't a review, it's just an unboxing, but it has a lot of potential. If it does what it says it does, and I will try it out here later, this should be a very good acquisition for me. What's great is $45, less than $45 US. So it's not expensive. It's not something that I had to spend an arm and a leg to get. And if it does the job, you know, it's well worth the price. So for anybody who's interested in this, I'll put the link below. Again, I'm not endorsing it. I'm just saying that it was a product that seemed to be something that I wanted to give a try to and see what it can do. Because I'm big on, if anyone else is the same way, I'm big on buying products that do multiple purposes. They're easier, they save space, and you get a lot more bang for your buck, so to speak. And that's why I went with this product. And I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube and in different places where they're actually testing these, and they seem to work pretty well. And I've also seen the reviews on Amazon, and it has pretty good rating. I think it's like 4.5 stars or something like that, with just under 500 people reviewing it at the time. So I was pretty comfortable going out and buying it, and I wanted to show it to everybody here, just in case it's something that you might be interested in trying as well. And if you have another product or a similar one or another idea, comment below. This isn't meant to be necessarily a replacement on a bike. If you want to run your electronics from your battery up under your tank to your handlebars, that works too. This to me is just an additional safety factor that I can be on the road if I don't want to run those electronics, or I decide that I'd rather charge my batteries for my GoPro while I'm riding, or even the fact that it has a jump start on it, to me, makes it worth the money. So just a lot of things I want to show you there. What are your thoughts? Do you have your own product? Have you tried this product? Let me know if you like the open boxing, because if you do, I have some other products I'll show you somewhere down the line as well. Okay, thanks everybody. Have a great day.